I messed up the stream. Fun. Welcome to another episode of Market Buzz. Today we have the SpaceX IPO. Ah, man, that's exactly how I'm feeling today. The war news continues to happen. Iran continues to deny, say they're reviewing, they're checking, they're not claiming victory yet. We're getting very conflicting news right now. Stressful times. Man. All right, let me share my screen real quick. Let's organize all of this stuff real quick before we panic here. Do I have anything I guys can't see? I do. SPX. All right, we're gonna go here. Hopefully, we're also gonna share the system audio. Let me know if you can hear this guy in the chat. Yo, I'm okay, dude. I'm okay. I'm alive. I'm alive. Everything else is profit here. To say the least. Let me fix the layout here. I don't like that one as much. Oh man. Iran's decision-making process requires approval from the relevant authorities before any consensus becomes official. Are they just delaying? I wonder if they're just delaying here. Am I? Not like. I know. Yeah, I know that for sure. It could take a while. Like I'm okay waiting for it. It's already sort of trading, right? Like if we go to eToro, it is sort of trading the CFD, which is hilarious to see. I might just disconnect the moment this goes live because I'm still paying attention to the markets, evaluating whether it's to see what's gonna happen. Oh man, there we go. All right, yeah, that's good. Good. All right, so they fixed the trading stuff, which is nice. Let me have a look. Right, it wasn't fixing properly. All right. All right, so let me look at the chat here. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. If you have any questions about anything, do set them in the chat. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. I'm early. Dimitri's might join halfway through too. This is gonna be so interesting. But yeah, I mean, market is selling off. Funny enough, we're still selling off in semis into the open today. And the fact that tech is still up today, right? Like the Max 7, and we are seeing sort of like a broadening of the rally here tells me that like, there's a lot of money in the sideline that could transfer from right when people realize. I think like half of my allocation didn't get set, so we'll see. Oh man, this is the biggest event of the evening or the day, I guess. Like yesterday, I was watching the World Cup when all of a sudden we started getting the news. Now the question is does Trump want to sign this deal before the World Cup so it doesn't get tainted? That could be such a Trump thing to do in this case, right? All right, so what do we want to talk about? I don't know. I'm not really like I might just trade my way out of this through the day. So if I'm not paying full attention, like I'm literally just gonna be paying attention. Micron, I'm surprised that, well, you know what? The Micron drop here has to do with, I think SK Hynix has declared, oh look, I think, yeah. Whoop. I think SK Hynix chose the Nasdaq, so there's gonna be some selling pressure on memories there. It's just hilarious because like with DRAM, you're able to actually get exposure to all of the names. So also interesting. SpaceX, we have to wait until it goes live. Micron, such an interesting level. Hopefully we don't break down here and like all of a sudden we just see this massive. Because that's the thing, I want to pay attention to volume. Like if we all of a sudden see massive volume, I think so. I think if the price goes above 140, if it goes above 140 and everything stays the same, Tesla continues to stay at these levels, I think he reaches $1 trillion cap. I'm quite surprised. Let me have a look at Tesla and how it performed heading into this, because I had a feeling we were gonna see some weakness in Tesla. Obviously, like that could be because of the war and all of the different issues, but like I think from last Friday, yeah, like we've seen the volatility here. Now the question is do we see it like come down as euphoria starts hitting, right? Like volume hasn't been that crazy, right? Like I would say the additional volume of the last couple of candles would be what the additional selling pressure in this case. But we have seen sort of everything else kind of take up as well. So 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 oh man. Gold's up, silver's up. The only thing that has me worried is the fact that Bitcoin is a little bit lower. And whenever I see Bitcoin in the red, I'm like risk off sentiment. For the last couple of days, it has been acting as an indicator, but before that, it was like decoupled. So the US dollar is down too. So treasuries are lower today too. The 30-year is down quite substantially today. Oh, damn. Oof. I am so like I'm for some reason I'm like the thing is like so yesterday we got the announcement from the war which took a lot away from like it took a lot away from the fears, right? And like that was positive. But again, the question is just like how many times is Trump really going to say that? Because he's been saying, I think CNN said there's been 39 times the deal is super close, right? So can you truly believe what he's saying here? Oh man, I wonder if we'll start trading that quickly. I think the allocations are start like everybody's getting their allocations really quickly this time around too. So that's also something. Hmm. Even Microsoft is finding a bid here, but we are seeing semiconductors kind of take a little bit of a breather here. The only one is AMD, I think. We're 5 minutes away from the open. Hopefully, I can get this on time. Cause I always miss the freaking. I always miss the bell by like a minute. Exactly. Right. This time around, it does feel like he's a bit closer. The fact that like when he gets aggressive, it was the same thing with Iceland, right? So there is that. Bing, bing, bing. Pop up the chat here.
I'm really rich.
That's hilarious. I need to get more. I need to upload them too.
Thank you very much. That's really nice. Thank you.
It's so loud. Right. Let me know, by the way, Graham, I don't know if you're paying attention, but pay attention. For me, please. Can you hear this? Voice use disconnected. Do you hear that? He wants to sign it quick too. I don't think he wants to have this before the first day, because that just gives like ammunition to like protesters and stuff. Let me open my portfolios. You didn't hear? Oh, crap. Give me a second. I need to make sure this is in the right place. That is default. Still seeing this chat. All right. So just have to fix that. I'm glad you told me though. It should be there. All right. So that's not good. Crap. This is where it should be now. I think you're gonna be able to hear this. I think that might be it. All right, market bouncing a bit. What is bouncing? Let's have a look here. It's Google. Let's go. Google's been taking a massive beating lately, and I think it has to do with the race. But man, I just don't believe it. You know. Let me know if it's too loud too, because it might be. Okay, we're 30 seconds away from the market open. But the game's a game, everybody. Happy trading. And the market, it's open. Let's have a look at how the initial. Let's go. So you see this, a lot of AMD buying, and then Oracle, Apple, Citi are all selling off into this. Apple is up. No, Apple is selling off, and then you have a little bit of Google buying here. Cool. All right. So Micron is down here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. We're waiting for this to populate. Like, it might just take a while. Usually it takes a while. So we'll have to pay very close attention to that. Like the voting is kind of insane. A lot of there's over 300 votes now. some of the things are wrong, but something to pay attention to. Market is a little bit lower than expected here. Micron down, so a little bit of weakness here. I wonder if people are just getting ready to get to deploy here. It's so interesting because the CFD is it here? eToro is not showing it either. Wow. Look at the day performance. So we are seeing sort of that movement out of software and out of technology going into the rest. So there probably will be a broadening today. I wonder if all of the money goes back towards tech. Yeah, Micron is down 960. I'm not too worried. I was looking to sell some at the open. But yeah. I'm glad I sold some of my options yesterday, that's for sure. There we go. Oh, wow. What happened to Target? Let's freaking go. I had an alert for Target, and I mean, it's been going so good. I'm so happy with Target. People put it down because of all of the advertising. But yeah, nah, I mean, it's everything AI right now. Not really, actually. But yeah, Fluence would probably be down today. Makes sense. I'm not too worried. It likes to move, that stock. It likes to move like crazy, to say the least. Let me go here. I wonder if this is an opportunity to buy here. Man, Adobe. Wow. Just getting hammered today. Under $200. Holy. Just continues to get plummeted. Like there's been no rest for the wicked here. If it goes to like 190 today, I'll probably buy some more. I actually okay. My options are burnt out here. Both of them have to be. Yeah, that's right. I take a massive beating on those options today. All right, let's go back here. Tesla, how's Tesla doing today? It's actually holding 400. I wonder. Yeah, tech's down at the moment. I mean, it makes sense. Like this is what people sell in order to get into SpaceX. We are seeing a little bit of a bounce, but Amazon's down. We are seeing like SanDisk come up a little bit, Micron come up a little bit here too. Like this helps the bubble narrative like leave, right? Come on, SpaceX, go live. You know which trade I was paying attention to? Jets. It's an ETF of airlines. Let's have a look at what he says. I'm just worried. Like I'm so worried at Trump just like posting the wrong thing. That's also true. Scotland is today. No. Market start, and then we're gonna go X Pro real quick. It is bouncing a little bit. I like this because like people are gonna start realizing it's okay. Like I got the shares that I got. That's it. I wonder at what price does it go up? Like does it go live? Come on, come on, go live. You know it could take like half a day too, Graham. It is kind of crazy. Like it could just like it at some point it'll go live. And I have a feeling it's going to be a high price because I have a feeling there's people with market orders just waiting, which is so dangerous, right? Right? Like, let's say, for example, like banks are like $200. Could happen. We are seeing a turnaround in memory here. A little bit, not a lot. Hmm. Scotland will do good. You gotta believe. You gotta believe. Like SanDisk, that's so crazy. We saw it at 100 and like 1,600, and he gained all of that back. I'm so surprised at the fact that Micron is not up there too, sitting at all-time highs. Like it's sitting pretty high, but it's not all-time highs. SanDisk is insane. So far, I'm happy with this movement. Like I'm glad it's not crazy. It's just another day. Like it's a little bit negative, but in the right places, you know. So I'm not too worried. It's still. Oh man. Let's have a look. I mean, yeah. I mean, there are names that are up. Even Intel. Have you seen the Intel move? Like the moment we find, I'm surprised that Micron is not up. In all honesty, today. But the fact that Intel is up is just. Even Nvidia is up today. Wow. Nasdaq is flat, eh? That's so interesting. First Solar is up. Fluence finding somewhat of a bid. Not really. Like, there's so much implied volatility on some names. What's Adobe doing? Adobe's bouncing. I want to buy some. Like Adobe at 200 seems like a. Adobe at 200 seems so interesting to me. Live chat. There we go. There we go. Market's coming down a little bit. Call. What happened? Based on the fact that the discussion with the Islamic. I don't know. This is so weird. Like the plan for Adobe, I mean, if they're able to actually get a good AI that can edit a video properly, they're gonna be good. You know, I wonder who's ahead in that game. They do have a lot of data. I just don't like their practices. Like they're a little bit of a tricky company to kind of like be behind, but I don't think they go away either. You don't like this. Market don't like this. That's the problem. We keep getting freaking. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Ah, tech selling again. That sucks. Yes and no, right? Like for really good stuff, you can depend on AI just yet. Like you can do some things, but you still need consistency and reliability there, right? So Trump is angry. Like how does Trump play this, right? Like how does he go from we're about to sign a deal to like you just look so weak, right? Like your word almost has no value there. I mean, and I thought it was the Americans that hit the ship. Because the thing is just like, right, like if it's under internal review and it's not the things that they're asking for, what makes them sort of like get back into the middle of the bombs did? I mean, where can we see the ringing of the bell? Because Elon should be ringing the bell in New York, no? Oh, market's going a little bit lower. Let's have a look at these here. Man, that's so stressful. So annoying. That's so annoying. Because like, how can you go into a weekend like this, right? Like, he might as well could bomb Iran as he could sign that deal. Oh, America. It was looking so good. It was looking so good. Like it's funny because like what's finding a bit is like computer hardware, financials. I wonder if it's gonna bleed all day. Where's the SpaceX IPO? Let's go. Come on. Look. So it could be 2 hours from now. Could be in a couple of hours from now.
Company begins trading today on NASDAQ under the ticker.
I think you're stalling as.
It's pretty fire, dude. It's pretty fire. Like a little bit. Why is Mara up? Oh, wow. 29% higher. Like if you got shares, I think you're gonna be up. And I think you're gonna be up until the like this is so crazy. You imagine SpaceX opens at like that much more? It's set to open 29% higher. That would make it 1.75 times 1.29, $2.25 trillion market cap. Wow. Wow. Come on, open. Because eToro has the CFD, right? Like eToro has the CFD, by the way. If you're interested in opening up an account on eToro, click the link below. Money's at risk. I gotta say that. Your capital is at risk. But they did give me some shares at IPO pricing. That's free money right there. I can't complain. Yanni and the whole team, thanks so much. I appreciate you. Bam. This is about to get exciting. This is about to get exciting. $12.06. Let's have a look. Can you hear it? Yeah, right? I hope so. So are we bouncing? It's pretty fire. It's pretty fire, dude. Like this guy, like love him or hating. Can you not hear it?
Going public for with the largest IPO that ever. And let me tell you, if people had told me this was going to happen, I was like, man, you must be smoking some really good crack. Because I think this company's going to fail. I mean, I gave
eSpace Casimir says June inflation data might be decisive for July's decision. Rate hike mission is not yet complete. Second round effects are lurking and will materialize. We can't exclude policy having to become restrictive. Energy surge seeping into core inflation is dangerous. Casimir says economy is resilient enough to digest higher rates. eSpace Casimir finally says markets have a good sense of eSpace's new good place.
It will never be a truly spacefaring civilization. While the other aerospace companies, they build good rockets and everything.
Senior U.S. administration official on Iran deal now says nuclear material will be destroyed and removed. Just again being cited by another major news wire here.
make life multiplanetary, to make Star Trek, to make the exciting science fiction futures that we've read about real. And that's what SpaceX is all about, is to take the fiction out of science fiction and create an exciting, inspiring future for everyone. We want to be able to take anyone who wants to go to the moon, anyone who wants to go to Mars, or anyone in the solar system, and maybe beyond the solar system at some point. We want to be able to take you there. Not just a few astronauts. I mean you, literally you. If you watch, whoever you are watching this, SpaceX wants to be able to take you to the moon, take you to Mars, and ultimately beyond. And I'm confident at this point that with the incredible team that we have here at SpaceX, that we will do that for you. I always think about this. There are always problems on Earth. There are always problems on Earth. There are always things that we wish to be better, that we want to solve here on Earth, and we should solve them. But they also have
1 minute to get the UMIC sentiment prelim data.
Future that make you glad to wake up in the morning because you can't wait to see what happens next. And that's the future that SpaceX wants to bring to you. Yeah.
Ten seconds. 48.9, 48.9, high in the forecast of 46. 5-year inflation prelim, 3.4%, low in the forecast of 3.8%. 1-year inflation prelim, 4.6%, low in the forecast of 4.9%. Expectations prelim, 49.3, 49.3, high in the forecast of 44.9. And University of Michigan conditions prelim, 48.4, 48.4, high in the forecast of 46.1.
Yeah, market's rallying. That is good. All right, so now you can hear me, I think. It's working again. I think it is. God dang it. Ah! I know. I was trying to fix it. So it should have worked now. God dang it. In between not being able to hear the computer and not being able to hear this, but this you should be able to hear now. So you should have been able to hear that. No, you shouldn't have, because I'm still suffering. You should be able to hear it now. Hopefully it doesn't mess up. You should be able to hear that. Oh man. But the thing is like this could come at like in 2 hours. The opening. So something to take into consideration as well. Whoa, 5-year expectations come in lower than expected, and 1-year expectations come in lower than expected. This should be bullish. Awesome. That is fantastic news. Thank you. Oh man. Let me have a look. SpaceX indications. You imagine it just like goes to like 5 trillion. Nasdaq turning positive here. Let's go. We like those news. Micron turning positive on the day. Great. Let's go. Micron over 1,000. Let's freaking go. The inflation expectations, I think, fixed it. It's got to give me a little bit of room to catch up, you know. Let's be sad for the lost dollars. All right. This is getting the market excited. SPCE. Apparently this is tanking here. SPCE. Wow, 24% down. This is an easy short, right? This is an easy short. It should be. Nvidia is so much better. It's so much better. Yeah, it's so much better. But I like AMD. I don't mind it. I have some AMD. I actually sold some. Yeah, well, like they said, oh, I sold cheaper. I should have bought some more. I should have bought the 2X in all honesty. Because like, why not? All right, let's have a look. So AMD is my top winner today. Come on, start trading. Come on. And a lot of people got a lot of shares. I mean, like that. The question is who's telling the truth here, you know? I wonder, does eToro have a stopping on the shares? Let me have a look. Micron over 1,000. Let's freaking go. This should be good for my portfolios. Let's go. Let's get you fighting between each other. Like the thing is like I was telling everybody, I sent the message in a couple of groups today, and I'm actually kind of scared whenever we get the deal. Because if we do get the deal, all of a sudden it's like the war is over. Like what's gonna happen to the stock market? Like do you like the fact that we're so high? Like could we go higher? But I think it's a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing, you know? Come on, Trump. Come on, Trump. Like the volatility is insane today. Yeah, that is correct. I told you guys. I said it on the Discord. Why to buy? I literally was like, it is time to buy SOXL today. Today. Did anybody pay attention to me? No. But I said it. Because you get like what I like about SOXL is like you do get the leverage, which is fair, but you also get the exposure to the names, which is actually super nice. Now I wonder how much of that is true. Because it's like I think this is the money that left to enter a SpaceX is coming back to the places where it left from. Because Intel, AMD, Micron, right? You're now seeing sort of computer hardware go. Maybe a little bit of broadening too here. Google is up. I'm surprised these three names are down. But that probably is because of Trump. And then so NASDAQ, so it's still in pre-launch. What does pre-launch status mean? What a day, what a day, what a day to be an investor. Ooh, it's going to open shortly, so I can go. I just want to say I was here when it happened. You know what I mean? I also made a profit with it because I did get allocated a couple of shares. I am part of the future, you know, you know, space travel is what I want to do, and like obviously, like I'm part of that future, you know, and you know, there we go. I'm kind of excited. It's very little money. Like it's so little money. It's not even funny. I wish I had gotten all my allocation, but I didn't. But I wish I had. That would have been nice. You know what it was? If it had worked out the way that I wanted it to work out, would have been nice. I wonder if Ross is, no, like, Dimitris. Come on. I wonder what it's gonna do. Like, I'm so baffled by it. It's funny because like they were getting the allocations were getting there. I don't think mine enters. Like it would be fire if it does. Is it gonna be shortable too? I don't think so. I don't think so. Like I think it's gonna be like I think it's gonna go up because there's not that many shares. It's like the same people fighting for the same shares. It's kind of crazy, right? Oh, come on. Micron up. Intel up. Oh, this trade here. It's just so much. 122. That's a 22% bounce. I think I don't know if there will be. I mean, likely, but like, who can we compare this to? Yeah. It'll be interesting to see. Like, I want to, the moment we goes live, I'm probably going to put it in like a 1 minute timer here. Just to have a look at how the market is moving on that. And then, like, I'm surprised the Nasdaq is flat here. But then, like, futures are flat, but then, like, the Russell is up, Europe is up. So there is a broadening of sort of this rally, which is bullish. It is hot. See, Intel's coming down a little bit, Micron coming down a little bit. Yeah. So good. Rally could continue. We could see the same here. So yeah, da-da-da-da. Bam. Then we go back to oversold levels. I just want to go back to oversold levels. Like, give me 1,200. Bam. Right? Come on, come on. Let's go. It is up. Yeah, I didn't say it was down. It's up. Oh, of course, because I'm putting in a minute. Like, volatility is crazy. This is the 1 day. The 1 day here. Bam. Still up, yeah. Like, I don't know if Trump, like, you imagine Trump only said what he had to say in order to get the space IPO to pop, because he couldn't bear the idea of Aramco being the biggest IPO in history. That'd be so fire. It's not good. Like I don't want to hear them say. Like, I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear that. Like I just want to be like we're all gonna be friends forever, and we're all gonna make so much money that we're gonna be tired of winning. Are you tired of winning yet? Yeah. Come on, go live. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Like that kind of sucks because the stock could have gotten more money. It is. I mean, if it starts at 175, right? Come on, come on. So that means that Elon Musk right now is $1 trillion man. That's insanity. It's crazy. It'll be 330, you think? I hope so. Yo, cool cookie. Is that you, Ross? Say yes or no, so I can give you mod. What did he say? Like, I don't like that. I don't like that. Like, if there's no deal, like, no, the deal is already signed. No. So why are you doubting the deal? Like, you should just be like, oh, Bloom Energy's up 7% today. Wow. That's a moderator. There we go. You're now a mod, Ross. You're now a mod. So I wonder who buys it at 2 trillion. He did orchestrate this. It's a memorandum of understanding. Like, this is a deal to talk about the way that they're going to talk about the deal. Fear greed index is at fear still, which is insane that it's a fear and we're still sitting at all-time highs. Man. Because the thing is like, you imagine Monday, there's a deal signed, right? Like, I don't think we get it Monday. Let's say we get it next week. That takes away the inflation fears. Like, who cares about tariff inflation if this gets out of the way? Then we get like supply chain constraints on energy disappear. Very good. We start getting our raw materials back. Very good. All of a sudden, market could continue to rally, right? Like that gives the green light to continue. But we've also rallied like this because we have assumed that we should have been already in that place. So that's where it becomes tricky to kind of analyze. Come on, come on. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Bam. Shares outstanding, $7.3 trillion. Earnings per share, negative. An increase of $4 billion. This guy, Robinhood gave me one share. That's hilarious. What step was AI doing? Did I sell it? Did I? No, I didn't. I'm down on that stock. Every time I buy a stock to make Antonio mad, I lose money with him. It's great. Right? Like that's what I'm thinking, right? Like it's like because we could go back to like shooting each other, but again, it's like the start of the World Cup. Do you think like Trump wants the World Cup tainted? Like one of the reasons I think we're so close to a deal is because Trump doesn't want his World Cup tainted. Right? Like he has until tomorrow. Or when is the first game? Like he probably has the first game of the USA is tomorrow, I believe. Tempus. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I just want to see the price. You think he's gonna get halted? But it's not over. I don't think so. He did it. He did it while the World Cup game was going on. I think it does. You think? Let me have a look. Let's have a look at. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Is Elon talking right now? No, that's the one that we were watching. No. When is the USA game? Yeah, Group D. USA. Group D. So it's probably later. Right? Saturday. See? So they have till Saturday before Trump gets upset. All right, let's go back here. Hmm. Is on tonight? No. No. Oh yeah. No, it's tomorrow. It's tomorrow morning. Okay. All right, so it's tonight in the morning. Okay. Yeah. Shoot. Yeah. This guy. It's the nice thing about this. Man, Israel is so complicated. They just need to calm down. Galaxy Pro. Come on, SpaceX. Come on, SpaceX. Go live. Go live. How much do we want to watch the stock price? Because this could, again, this could take another hour. In all honesty, I should just shift it and then change that for SpaceX. Oof. Is Antonio not because he has like 5 accounts, dude? Antonio should go on his like other account where he posts like the thing, like where he's like he goes live, but this is his other account. You know? He keeps like posting on different accounts. Nothing I can do. Oh, that's a moderator. There you go. There you go, Antonio. You're a moderator too. Say all of the people I watch moderators. I do. Come on. Come on. Gimme, 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 gimme. We're about to go live, boys and girls. Whew. Come on. They're coming out at 172. So my order to buy at 135. Come on. Give me chart. Come on. We got this. I believe. It's kind of spicy. Come on. Do we touch 200 today? I think the euphoria could cost this. Come on, let's go. We are so close. Okay. Let's make a bet. I want to know. Yeah, I actually want to know. Let's do this. Let's do a poll. I wonder who is closest to the top of the price. Like who? Like what do you think the top price for SpaceX will be today? Two hundred, 225. Is that what we think we're gonna get there? I only need two. We only had two votes. You guys just like right in the chat. That's so much fun. Come on, come out. Come on, come on. Trump has a pre-taped interview today. What? You think 205? That's insane. Like 205 would be. I don't think it comes stumbling down though. Like I think there'll be volatility for sure, but even if we go, for example, like what was one that did something along the lines of this, right? Like if we go ARM, it's like I remember it being right, like ARM came in and it didn't do much, and then it came down, and then it just exploded to the upside. Whew. Come on, SpaceX. I have an order at 135. So if it touches 135 today, I'll be so excited. I don't think it does though. I don't think it does. Like who else had earnings as such? Like Cerebras, we could say they just had an IPO, right? And like they've taken a massive tumble. So we go to like the daily. They like IPO'd and then they just came down. God damn it. It's just like bam. you know? Come on, come on. Dude, I'm so excited. I just wanna see what happens here. Like, let's go. Like, Elon, come on. Four votes. Ooh. Oh man, I hope we get there. I hope we get to those numbers. For the sake of it. For the sake of the future of mankind. Market is coming down. It's getting tired. Market don't like it. It's close to 4. Hopefully we don't get a Friday like last Friday. That's all I'm asking for. $170 expected now to open. Like how much I would be willing to pay to enter the SpaceX IPO here? Not much. Will they be shortable? That's also a question I have. We're getting close. It is. Oh man. It is a broadening. I mean, if you look at here, it's going to like do I want to hold through the weekend in the UK? I kind of do. Wow, that's something I wanted to check out. Let me have a look at volume. Oh, that's not it. Volume side, volume USC. SanDisk. Volume for SanDisk is exploding. I do not know. Market selling off. Ooh. Amazon continues to come lower with Broadcom coming in low. Adobe. Adobe actually bouncing here at 203. Does feel like a steal. Is it live? Let me have a look. No, the CFO, I think. ¿Qué iba a hacer yo, coño? Volatility today is kind of nutty. Like the moves are. It wants to go somewhere. Market wants to go somewhere here, and let's have a look at the polls. A lot of people got like from 0 to 25. That could be people that I messed that up. I get it. Oh man. Yeah. It's a 3x leverage ETF. Yeah, I've seen the volatility. I've written it. Yeah, I've seen it. It went all the way to 184. Here. That's bullish. It's got to be the blue chip mark. Ah! The eToro one is live because this is a CFD, right? So this could go nuts. Look at the moves. It came out at 189, 190. Whoa! Whoa! CoreWeave to join the S&P 500. That's massive news. It's all over the place, but this is massive news. The fact that the Iranian foreign minister did say this, this is bullish. This is very, 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 very bullish. Really bullish. Unless he got killed, which is also a possibility. I don't know at this point, but I hope he didn't. Like, this is bullish. This is the other side agreeing that there is something in the works. Yo, the moment you know, put in the chat. No, this is directly on eToro. So this one is directly on eToro. I wouldn't be surprised if eToro got shares and they were just like, you know what, we can guarantee some shares. Let's see how the price moves here. CoreWeave is pumping here on this news. Up almost 8%, 1% after the comment. See, from here, this could be a good entry. But I can't trade it. Come on. I wonder. Like, I hope they sign it. Like, that would be so fire for next week. And then we could just all enjoy the World Cup together and not have to, like, trade and pay attention to markets. Wouldn't that be fantastic, Trump? Cup and handle. Cup and handle. So Adit said, let's have a look. So Adit said we would get to 205. $166. I think IPO price 160 to 165. Whoa! JP Morgan up 2.5%. Let's go. Come on, we back. I just won the news already. That'd be nice. That's really good news from Arachi. Like, I hope he didn't get hacked. Come on. Come on. Come on. 165. It's funny because if this was a cup and handle, right? Like, let's call it here the cup and handle, then that handle's in there. I don't think this cup and handle don't do don't do these things. It's been what? SpaceX, the CFD has been trading since June 5th. What? That's weird. All right, I'll be right back. Whoa. Man, so tired. Come on, let's get this done. Let's get this done. God dang it. I forgot I was muted. I was. Not anymore. Not anymore. Would I buy SpaceX at 166? Even Mara's up today. It's probably going to be between 165 and 170. That's going to be IPO price. And then we have to see what happens from their IPO price. I wonder if we're going to see sort of like a slowdown in semis and anything that's been working for the last couple of weeks in order to go into the like more selling now that it's like publicly available. To the moon! Who wants to play chess? Crap. Dun, 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 100%. A lot of people are gonna try to game this for sure. Like a lot of people. And then the big question is like, how, can you get out fast enough in order to take advantage of this? Big if, you know. So League of Legends. Crap. Sun's out right now. Oh man, come on, SpaceX. Yo, market's rallying, hey? Holy. The fact that Arachi said this, and then I wonder what the president would say, what Gallaudet would say. They have been quiet, so they are letting the diplomacy process play out. That's not good. Was that just posted? Yeah, that's just posted. Okay. Um, it says that it might take a couple of hours. Now, big question for you guys. Are you guys willing to wait? Or, because at this point, I might just chill. Like, I might just rest. Like, I have it on my headset ready to deploy. But I might just play games. I might just play FIFA here, in all honesty. Like, I'm just waiting for this data. And I also have to eat some food. So, there's that. I could come back and stream whenever the IPO goes live. If any of you know when the IPO goes live, just shoot me a text and I'll be more than happy to kind of go live. What do you guys say? I could also just leave this on. I could. Like, it's gonna take a couple of hours. That's the thing. And the thing is I'm probably gonna go cook if it's gonna take a couple of hours. But I want to be available and ready when it goes live. So, big ifs. But let me have a look. If I stay, I get hours so I can get monetized on YouTube, which would be fire. It's already been 2 hours. You know what I wish I had? A kitchen cam. I just have to make a cable go that way, and then I would have a like a kitchen cam, which would be fire to have. It would be fire. Markets are up. Let's go. Let's go. I'm up 1.5%. Lol. I don't tend to do that. I don't tend to do that. I'm glad I have 2 bathrooms. Just gonna say that. Yo, if TQQQ reaches 81 today, which is like unlikely, but if it does, bro, Exxon is looking for like Trump to put an X on it. I might step away. Okay. Adit, you know, by the way, we have a Discord also. If you want to join. But all right. Yeah, I think I'm going to step away because this might take a while. Let me just double check that info. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay. Discord is like, yeah, it's like you just like make like I can show it. Can I show my Discord? Yeah, I can show my Discord. Okay, I can't show my Discord here. Like Discord is like a chatting app, you know what I mean? It's like a chat, but also like voice and community stuff. It's kind of nice. Graham speaks to himself all day there. For now, because I'm trying to grow it. I'm trying to grow it. But literally, the last like 20 messages are yours. I'm trying to get people to come, but it's so difficult to get people interested. Yeah, here. I'll send you. I'll here. Have. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna pin it. I don't know if I should just mute myself and like just like leave the charts up and the noise. I could just do that. You know what? I'm gonna do that so I can get hours. And then we'll come back later. And then I can put like a text. You might reach 100 before all of us. Oh man, that Arachi comment messed me up. Messed me up. Beautiful. All right, I'm down with that. It's coming down heavily. It is. In the last couple of hours, we've gone down quite a bit. So something to consider. Ooh, no, fuck. I hate the UK market. I hate the fact that I can't trade 24/7 in the UK market. I hate it. I hate it. There's a reason the UK is falling behind. There is. And it's because you guys don't want to innovate for some reason. And I hate it. Yeah, I'll accept you. No worries. How can I accept you? Yeah, proof. Yeah. Good. You're in. Yeah, you're in. And I'll put your roles and I'll put you into. What is Graham? Graham is an editor. Yeah, there you go, ID. Done. Awesome. All right. I will be back. It is, I'm happy with this. I'm going to leave this on like this for now. Oh, I could have just written a message. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can write a message. Market buzz. We talk to talk. Yeah, I could just do that. And I can just delete that. There we go. And I can go to like 30 minutes. Wow. All right. I'm happy. If you guys leave your account open, it'll be fire because then I can get monetized on YouTube and that'd be great. But you don't have to. You don't have to. We're back. We're back. Just in time. Holy smokes. There's quite a delay. All right, all right, all right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we're about to go live. Say, but it's 5 minutes. They just said in 5 minutes time they should go live. So let's go to the real thing. Market is selling off a little bit into the close. UK is locked in. God damn it. Israel is not going to let us have a peace deal. God dang it, dude. You're so close yet so far. They say 5 minutes. Whoop, whoop, we're live, we're live, we're live. It opened up at 150. It's at 150. Come on. Bam. And this live, ladies and gentlemen. IPO time, IPO time. Ooh, there was a chance to buy at 150. Yes. It is pumping. Market selling off into this. That's hilarious. It's $160. Let's go. It's coming in quite nicely. I'm not gonna lie. Volume came in. A lot of volume got bought out at the beginning, and then now. Whoop whoop. Whoa, market turned around fully. Wow. It's life everywhere. But market turned around a lot today. Based on that, like a lot of, I wonder if there's money just coming out of here. Order canceled. I had a 135 order. I don't think I'm gonna get there, but biggest IPO in the history of IPOs, ladies and gentlemen. This is a historic moment. Super anticlimactic. I thought it was gonna bam rally, but again, let me have a look. But it is now live at $155. I thought it was going to be coming out at 170, $155 right now. Still a pretty premium. It means that they actually got a decent pricing here. I wonder if it's going to hold. I wonder why. $160, $160. We're going a little bit higher. You see? I had a feeling that this was supposed to take out demand from SpaceX. Sorry, Tesla. But I guess they already done it. Let's go. We're rallying again. Can you buy options? Nope. That'd be nice. Antonio, tengo trade. Tengo trade. Market did sell off drastically into this. I think this is gonna continue. It's quite a bit. And tell me, dude, I wanna see. Damn, that's a cool. $163. There was a chance to buy here. I wonder if we remember this, because the thing is, only time will tell. But I wonder how high this gets as time. Like it's gonna get like it's already trying to get digested, right? And then all of a sudden, we'll see what happens right after. But it's like, damn. That's pretty fire, dude. That's pretty fire. That's a pretty sick investment right there. It's so little money for it. Like it's a small. Habemos trade, tío. I want to buy some call options. Wow, it's gonna continue to rally. Wow. Like I'm kind of like, are you guys not getting a little bit of FOMO here? Like I'm getting a little bit of FOMO. Like I want to buy some more, but also I know that this is not the right place to spend my money. You know what I mean? Damn. Can I get it on? Can I get it on here? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. SpaceX. Yes, you can. Yeah, you can. You could have bought it. Wow. Can I buy this? Yes, I can. I'm gonna buy a share for the lols, dude. Dang. Market is selling off into this. That's hilarious. Damn. It's up 23%. It's quite fire. It is quite fire. Like I want to buy so bad here. Like, are you guys not getting this? I'm not buying. No, I can't. But I want to buy. It's coming down. It's going down. It's going down. Well, you gotta buy. The thing is like you gotta buy because in 15 days it's gonna join the S&P 500. Like, sorry, the Nasdaq. What nuts volatility? That's insane. Wow. The volatility on my portfolio is kind of crazy, eh? Wow, market's turning red. Well, actually, that's a lie. My portfolio's turning red. Like Schwab is up, Goldman is up, JP Morgan is up. Like seems to be digesting it well here, eh? Same here. I'm actually quite surprised. Well, the thing was like if you asked people, everybody's like, "Oh, it's overpriced. I don't want to be the one buying it," which tells me that also it might be just a good time to buy it because there's like that many people that are not like trying to like jump in. But then again, there will be a lot of buying pressure from inclusion. So but it's interesting. Like let's have a look at something. How long has it been live for? So it was at a couple of minutes ago. So it's 12 minutes. So let's go here 15. Let me go into the 15-minute. Let's have a look at what has gone down. So this is interesting, right? Like Micron is coming down. Tesla's come down since it went public. Even even compute AI, everything AI. I think the only thing that's like holding is here. That's the S&P. And then if we go into the Nasdaq, it's gonna be bloody for sure. That's cool. You see, like it's actually holding. I wonder. Like I'm thinking of potentially getting like. I'm kind of FOMOing out. You know what I mean? Like the thing is like I'm already in it, but it's like I just want to leave that, you know. But then again, it's like it almost touched 170. Like I wonder at what price I would just sell it. You know what I mean? It's under 160. It's under 160. That's awesome. I wonder if it goes under IPO price. You imagine? Has anybody tried selling on eToro? $156, $155. You can't short the name either. I don't think so. That's hilarious. I kind of want to buy it here. On yo, I'm gonna buy. I have a little bit of capital. I have a little bit of capital. I'm just gonna buy it. I just gonna buy it. I just bought. Like there is no gamma. There's no gamma volume right there, and options is gonna start trading Tuesday. Oh, get ready. Okay, that's cool. That's interesting too, because I know there's going to be a lot of pressure from people selling at from the 135. I mean, you just made 20% for free pretty much if you got an allocation. But I don't think we peak until a couple of days in, because still need to get all of the options volume, all of the buying from the ETFs. Yeah, I bought some. I bought some, but such a small amount. Like, don't do it. Don't do it. It's okay. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not been a while. It's not been a while. I bought from 159.99. I bought a little bit, just a tiny, like a fraction amount, like a small amount. I've just pretty much doubled my position, so Selena knows how much I've purchased. It's not a lot, not a lot. I'm okay if it goes down, you know. So, like, if you're okay for you to lose that money, then it's fine, you know. But I'm trying to get a free allocation on SpaceX. $155 would have been fire. But $151 would have been fire. What is this? That VWAP? I mean, it's the VWAP. Money's leaving the hyperscalers. All right. I think that's it. I think that's it, everybody. I might go on Discord at the close tonight. Damn. That's pretty good though. That's still pretty like I think that's still pretty good for now, you know? Because like I do think that it could touch the 170s, 180. Like depending on how volume plays out here, it's a million like a million shares are getting transacted every minute. This is hilarious. All right. Thanks so much for thanks so much for thanks so much for watching, everybody. I really appreciate you. This was fun time. This was a fun time. Stock didn't do much, which is kind of crazy to say the least. You know, I was expecting it to like rally like crazy because Elon, and price is steady. I'm liking this. It's a good time to relax. It's about VWAP. It's true. Yeah, I bought some. Very little. Very little. Come on, pump it. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all. We'll see. We'll see next Thursday how this ends up. If this was a good investment or not. It's gonna be hilarious. I'm gonna hold it for a little bit. I'm holding it until Tuesday for sure. It could. I mean, like, did you see the CFD? Like, it 100% could. Because it's such a small float. Hilarious. Oh man. All right. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I appreciate you all. If you have any questions, you know where to leave them. 9,000. You imagine? That'd be nuts. I wonder if it touches 150 again. I want to buy again. Like a crazy order. I tried to put a 135 order, but it wasn't gonna hit. Like, there's gonna be people that are willing to just stay. Like, they're gonna be like, "Hey, I'm gonna sell." No, that was just Pakistan. Pakistan. Amid ongoing intense mediation efforts by Pakistan, we're fully aware of the thing. The final agreed upon text has been reached. Now they're just finalizing how this is gonna work out. Like, they might just sign this very soon. Like, this is fire, dude. This is pretty good. Like, this is pretty good. There's an another war going into, and then potentially, like, the SpaceX stuff is just because I didn't know. Like, if they're gonna do options on Tuesday, there's gonna be the market maker is gonna be forced to buy, and that's gonna be super tricky. Like, the reason I'm buying is because is because of this, literally. Because the problem is whenever you buy options, the market maker has to buy the shares, and a lot of people are gonna be buying this. So that's a lot of momentum that the stock could have in the coming days. That's pretty fire. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty fire. Like, if I can get a free allocation of SpaceX, I want to buy more now. Damn. Because, like, imagine, like, how good of a title would that be? The market gifted me a SpaceX allocation. I got free tickets to Mars. Imagine a title like that. That's pretty fire. Isn't that fire? That's pretty fire. All right. Like, that would be pretty cool, dude. That'd be pretty cool. Like, imagine Monday, and then Monday we sell a little bit. I have to sell a bunch of contracts. A bunch of contracts. Echo, alarm 7 p.m.
Alarm set for 7 p.m.
It's already jinxed. If it's jinxed, it's already jinxed, you know? Let's just keep buying it. Let's just buy all of them. It'd be pretty fire. I don't gonna lie. Pretty fire! Oh, man. Like, Elon could just, well, I don't know if he could, you know, but like, if, like, it is. 100%. Like, 100%. Like, I'm in. I'm in. Ya yo voté. Oh, this is fire. I'm super baffled by how just the rest of the market is moving, you know? Because the thing is like we're just gonna siphon this. Like this is you're buying from somebody that has the share. I wonder how high it goes. That'd be crazy. That's hilarious. The bubble chart. That's a bubble chart. You see spike and then bounce, sharp drop. You imagine? Imagine. Bam, 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 bam. Oh no, wait. That's not how it's supposed to go. Delete it. It's supposed to go bam, 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 bam. I think it's gonna go higher. Bam, bam, bam. You imagine? Bubble chart. The V-shaped recovery. The V-shaped recovery of SpaceX is. It's pretty fire. Oh no, the selling pressure at 170. That's what everybody's trying to do. Look, that is what they, look, look at the resistance level. Look at the resistance level. Look at that resistance there, right there. Bam, resistance. 168 is the target to reach. That's a fire. It did. Did it touch 170? No, it didn't. It didn't. All right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Otherwise, I'm gonna buy more. I want to buy more. I'm getting FOMO out of this. If I buy, I'll let you know in the Discord, everybody. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you. Thanks so much for staying all this time. It really helps out. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. It really helps out. You guys are MVPs. It's not doing bad at all. Like it is not doing as great as I thought it's gonna be, but it's also not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So it's kind of exciting. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I appreciate you all. Peace. Anything else you guys want to ask? I don't know. I'll give you a chance. 200 SMA. I don't think he's been trading for 200 minutes. All right. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Peace.